Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where we talk about crypto, business and investing. Today I'm bringing you the latest news on Shiba Inu coin. That's our favorite coin because we are a part of a Shiba Inu army, right? If you agree with me and you are actually a part of Shiba Inu army, please leave a comment on this video, hashtag Shiba Army, and make sure to stay until the end of the video so you can get the latest information about our favorite coin. Right now I'm looking at the coin market cap and we can see that everything is green, everything is fine, and everything's looking good except the global crypto market cap that's down by 3%. But that's nothing to be worried about because we have other things to be worried about that actually happened yesterday, and you've probably heard about the largest DeFi hack that have no impact on Shiba Inu price. As you can see, SHIB stolen in largest DeFi hack have no impact in Shiba Inu price. They said that Shiba Inu tokens are among the cryptocurrencies stolen in the largest DeFi hack in history. Despite the loss, traders still have a bullish outlook on SHIB price. SHIB community lost nearly 260 billion tokens in hack, still retain bullish outlook. In the largest DeFi hack on Poly network on August 11th, hackers stole over 600 million in crypto funds. The attacker took Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain tokens, including 2 million worth of SHIB. I personally think that's something to be worried about, but I'm not sure. Let's see what also they said. Ahead of the hack, SHIB price was rallying and the event has not yet affected the Shiba Inu themed crypto's price negatively. In a single transaction on the Ethereum blockchain, hackers took over 259 billion SHIB tokens. Poly network flagged the wallet addresses where the hacked tokens were deposited, and a history of transactions revealed detailed information. As you can see, they said that the hacking that happened didn't really impact the price of Shiba Inu coin, and we're gonna check on that right now. Yes, as you can see, the volume in the last 24 hours is almost 600 million and it is increased by 34%. Overall market cap is sitting at more than 3 billion. That didn't change much. Like the overall Shiba Inu price, that's down by 2%. On the chart, we cannot see any major changes in the last 24 hours. Yeah, there has been some ups and downs. Like I said, not any major changes. Okay, moving on to the next article about Poly network hacker and everything that happened in the last 24 hours. Poly network hacker returns less than 1% of the 600 million theft. The returned sum represents only a minor portion of the over 600 million stolen from Poly network. I'm not really sure should I believe in this because this looks like a big scam to me. Really, to be honest. I mean, the hacker, he took 600 million, then he's returning money. I mean, why would he do that? Why would he return the money if he took it in the first place? I mean, I need someone to explain this in the comments. They said that these transfers have occurred across the 3 wallets associated with the Poly network hacker, across the Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain and Polygon networks. Poly network confirmed recipient of the returned funds via tweet issued on Tuesday. Details from Etherscan show that 2 million worth of Shiba Inu and 616,000 in Fei USD tokens are being returned. You see what I'm talking about. Why would they return the money? Then Poly network tweeted, so far we have received a total value of almost $5 million assets returned by the hacker. They returned almost 3 million, 2.5 million in Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain addresses over 1 million, and Polygon addresses also 1 million. Data from Binance Scan also shows the hacker returning 23.88 Binance Peg Bitcoin to the Poly network, as the one time of writing the coins are worth a little over 1 million. The hacker's Binance Smart Chain wallet still shows outgoing transactions for USD coin and Binance USD, but these do not amount to a significant figure. From the attacker's Polygon wallet addresses, there has been a refund of 1 million USD sent in 3 transactions. In total, the hacker has returned 4.6 million, which is less than 1% of the over 600 million drained from Poly network in the hack. The hacker still holds about 500 million worth of tokens, with the bulk of the sum held in Ether, including Binance Pegged and wrapped Bitcoin on both Binance and Ethereum chains, as well as DAI and USD stablecoins. This Poly network attack is the largest decentralized finance hack to date, taking the total value of thefts in the market segment to over 1.1 billion in 2021, almost 10 times the total losses recorded in 2020. Indeed, since the later half of 2020, DeFi has been contributing a greater share of crypto thefts amid a decline in centralized exchange hacking incidents. Like I said, I'm not sure what to think about this. These hackers, like, they're hacking and taking the money, then they're returning some of them back. I don't know why is this happening. Is this all planned scam or something? Okay, but before we move to the next article, I just wanna show you something that I found on shibarmy Reddit post. This looks really like a nice wallpaper. It's a nice little art of our Shiba Inu token found on the moon, and I'm really interested. What do you think about Shiba Inu memes? Because we can maybe make a video where we look at the memes made for our favorite coin. And we have some latest news that said over half of stolen funds from Poly network hack now returned. I mean, the hacker is now returning what? All of the money they hacked. 342 million has been returned on a Thursday, according to a tweet by Poly Network. More than half of the 600 million drained from the Poly Network earlier this week has now been returned. And the 342 million now returned is made up of 4.6 million on Ethereum, 252 million on Binance, and 85 million on Polygon. And also the 268 million still outstanding is on Ethereum. So yeah, it looks like the hacker is actually giving back the money, and despite that the Shiba was also hacked, it didn't really change the price. But like I said, I hope with all this work we can lose 1-0, at least 1-0 until the end. And that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notification button for more news on our favorite crypto coins. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video.